Good morning. Today I'm going to show you a somewhat controversial, it's called Purple Ghost, and some people think it shouldn't be called Purple Ghost. It's Purple Bhut Jolokia. This one starts out purple. It's a nice healthy plant. As you can see, the stems are kind of a purplish colour as well. And these are the non-ripe ones. When they're ripe down here, you can see them. They go a kind of yellow after they're purple. They're purple now. These are new ones. It's second batch. You can see the flower here. The flower here is very purple. And here they're almost ripe down here. And you can see a little bit of purple still left on this. They're solid looking. It's a solid, healthy looking. Say hi then. Okay, she wants to say hi. This is not the only purple one. These ones over here, I showed you them before. They're called Purple Prince. But this one is a Purple Ghost or Purple Bhut Jolokia. There's some arguments on the forums whether they are proper or not. These are not as hot as normal Bhut Jolokia. When they're not ripe till they're red though, so some people think they're ripe. They are never green. They start off, I'll show you one here. This one is just coming out of its bud now, and it's, I should have brought the other camera, but it's purple, and this is another batch, and over there one other one. Anyway, thank you for watching, and if you like this video or any of our videos, please subscribe to this new channel. Thank you very much.